In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button on top of an image in Elementor using a container without needing any extra plugins. I'll start by adding a new container to the page. With the container in place, I'll open the Style tab and set the background type to Classic Image. I'll click into the image field and choose one from the media library. Now that the background image is set, I'll switch back to the Layout tab and give the container a min height, around 400 pixels, so there's enough room for the image to show properly. Back in the Style tab, I'll set the display size to Cover. This makes the image fill the entire container without stretching or distorting. With the image in place, I'll drag a button widget directly into the container. Right now, the button is sitting in the top left corner, so I'll select the container itself and use the Justify Content and Align Items controls to center it, both horizontally and vertically, right in the middle of the image. Let me check how this looks on mobile by switching the responsive view. The container and button adjust nicely, so the layout is working across devices. Back on desktop, I'll add one more element to make this look like a real banner. I'll drag in a heading widget above the button and type in a headline. Since it's sitting on top of a photo, I'll open the Style tab and change the text color to white so it stands out clearly against the image. Now I have a heading and a button both centered on top of a full image background, all built with a single container and no extra plugins. I can open the Structure panel to see exactly how it's organized, with a container holding both the heading and the button inside it. That's the complete button on image effect, ready to publish.